When considering home improvements in Birmingham, one of the smartest investments you can make is replacing your windows. Windows do more than simply let light into your home. They play a crucial role in your home's insulation, security, aesthetic appeal, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading the energy efficiency of an older home or boosting curb appeal in a newer property, replacing your windows can offer numerous benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. Energy efficiency. Lower bills and a greener home. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in window replacement in Birmingham is the potential for energy savings. Older windows, especially single-glazed models, are notorious for allowing heat to escape in the winter and letting cool air in during the summer. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also drives up your energy bills. Modern double-glazed windows, often made with energy-efficient materials, create a barrier that significantly reduces heat transfer. This means that your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs. For homeowners in Birmingham, where winters can be chilly and summers occasionally hot, the investment in energy-efficient windows pays off both financially and environmentally. Furthermore, energy-efficient windows can help you achieve a more sustainable, eco-friendly home by reducing your carbon footprint. Increased home comfort. A better living experience. New windows can dramatically improve your home's comfort levels. If you've been dealing with drafts, excessive noise, or rooms that are too hot or too cold, replacing your windows can solve many of these issues. Modern window technology, such as low emissivity coatings and double glazing, helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature by preventing the escape of heated or cooled air. Additionally, noise-reducing windows can keep unwanted external sounds, such as traffic or construction noise, from disturbing your peace at home. This creates a more pleasant and comfortable living environment, which can be especially important in busy areas of Birmingham where external noise can be a nuisance. Enhanced curb appeal. Boosting your home's value. The appearance of your windows can have a huge impact on your home's overall curb appeal. Over time, windows can become outdated, warped, or discolored, diminishing the aesthetic value of your home. Replacing old windows with new, stylish models can enhance the exterior look of your property, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you plan on selling in the future. Whether you choose sleek, modern designs or traditional styles that complement the architecture of your Birmingham home, new windows instantly elevate the visual appeal of your property. This can help increase its resale value, ensuring you get a higher return on your investment when you decide to sell. Homebuyers often appreciate updated windows, as they know they won't have to worry about costly repairs or replacements in the near future. Improved security. Protecting what matters most. Security is always a top priority for homeowners, and windows play a critical role in keeping your home safe. Old, worn-out windows with faulty locks or broken seals can be an easy target for burglars. By investing in high-quality, secure windows, you're not just improving the look of your home, but also enhancing its security. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger materials that make it more difficult for intruders to break in. For homes in Birmingham, where break-ins can be a concern, Replacing your windows can provide peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected. Long-term value. Durability and maintenance savings. New windows are designed to last. Unlike older models that may require constant repairs or maintenance, modern windows are made with durable materials that stand up to the elements, minimizing the need for frequent upkeep. Double-glazed windows, for example, are much more resistant to condensation, reducing the likelihood of mold growth, which can be a problem in humid climates. Moreover, the long-term savings from energy efficiency, reduced maintenance, and enhanced security far outweigh the initial cost of window replacement. With proper installation and care, high-quality windows can last for decades, making them a solid long-term investment for any Birmingham homeowner. Conclusion. Window replacement in Birmingham offers an array of benefits that make it a smart investment for any homeowner. From improving energy efficiency and lowering utility bills to boosting curb appeal and enhancing security, new windows have the potential to transform your home for the better. Not only will you experience improved comfort and reduced maintenance, but you'll also see an increase in your property's value. Whether you're looking to sell or simply enjoy a more comfortable and efficient home, replacing your windows is a decision that will pay dividends for years to come.